Welcome back to another video here with SirMaloPerformance. Today we're working on Project Beast. I just got the shocks in. These shocks are going to be the new ones we're going to go ahead and install. They're the Rough Country N3s. These come with a per se. It's a massive 35mm piston, chrome hardened 18mm piston rod. Hop on my channel. Feel free to subscribe. I'd appreciate the support. But these are my old ones. These are FabTech shocks. It's got a FabTech lift. But as you can see, the bushings are already, taking a beating. They're worn, they're gone, and that's for both. This is driver, this is my passenger side, and passenger side was even worse. I'm just gonna go ahead and set this up. That way I can have my kiddo here, Alonzo. He can help me guide them through the top eyelet. They come with hardware. Again, they come with the bushings, and it looks like it comes with a 14mm nut. I got that set up here. I'm gonna have to shoot this through the driver's side, and then we'll come back and get this, okay, Alonzo, or you will. And I'm gonna grab my 13mm. I'm gonna go down here. Alrighty guys, so I have the truck a bit lifted here with my Daytona 3-ton jack. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is try to get you guys set up to get a kind of a bird's eye view here of what's going on. Let me see if I could move this that way. Perfect. So I got my 13mm bolts here. Like I said, I was just waiting for those shocks to come in. Unfortunate that those Belstein 5100s didn't work out. I was really hoping they would, but again, they wouldn't reach. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do here, I'm gonna shoot this through. These are some massive pistons compared to the FabTechs. These shocks are way more massive. All I'm doing here is just trying to get set up. Hopefully these reach. This is the fun part right here with all this. Hey Alonzo, can you hand me the WD-40 please? Yes sir, yes sir. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and shoot some WD-40 up here. I just want to make sure that I got plenty. That made it a lot easy. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm chasing these in. Looks flush mounted. It doesn't take a whole lot. I think it's like 19 foot-pounds of torque, somewhere around there. That's literally like it's a little bit more than hand tight. But again, go to your torque specs. You know, this ball joints, it got squeezed when I was trying to compress the springs here. But we're gonna go ahead and try to chase up the top. I'm gonna go ahead and take care of the passenger side as well, guys. I just want to show you the driver's side because it's pretty much the same thing. What you do to the driver, you'll do to the passenger. So we're gonna go ahead and then take care of the top here. We got the passenger side and the driver's side fully mounted, torque down as for the bottom bolts go. Now we're gonna work on the top. So that top bolt, we're gonna have to guide it through. Lower the jack, as you guys can see, the yellow jack's right there. Hit the plasma cutter.
There we go. All right, so you have your rubber grommet right here, and then you have your metal piece right here, and then let me put this tool down. You have your nut right here. So first is gonna be your rubber grommet. There's two sides. There's a flush side, and then there's a side with the little a little rim. The rim has to go on the bottom like that, because it's gonna sit. Where am I going here? It's gonna sit in the middle of this hole right there, like that. And then you have your little metal ring, and then you have your nut right here.
It's kind of hard to explain while recording, huh?
Yes. I'm looking at the screen, and I don't know where I'm going because on the camera it looks different.
Yo, I'm telling you.
And then you just tighten it up. Well, not with this.
Hey,
What?
remember the cup that is the tapadera?
And then with your 14mm ratchet, or your opening wrench, you're just gonna tighten it down to make sure it doesn't fall off. Keep tightening it down. There we go.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, there we go.
All right, guys, so now we're here on the passenger side. My kiddo Alonzo did the driver's side. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and insert the bushing. This will go into the eyelet, the one with the rubber eyelet down. I'm gonna go ahead and put my cap. Go ahead and put the nut. Again, try to center that stem as much as you can. That's just best practice. I think that driver's side isn't centered out, but it's okay. It's a learning process for everybody. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this one down, guys. If the stem starts to spin, you'll go ahead and grab a locking plier just to keep it from moving. You know, just
No, it's okay, but we're still good. So again, we're just tying everything down. This is Project Beast. Go ahead, hop on my channel, check out my other videos. Please like, subscribe. I'd appreciate the support. Again, we're working on this truck. I would love to do a giveaway on this. I would love to set up a store, sell a hat, sell a shirt, you know, just to make it like a, you know, kind of like a ticket, an entry. But yeah, that's it. You see this side, Alonso, how it mounted, just nice and even all the way around. Maybe that other eyelet that wasn't centered. Maybe the stem wasn't, you know, in the middle. So we'll probably loosen it up again and then tighten it up again because it needs to be in the dead center. That way you can get it.
You should have told me that before.
I figured you'd know.
I mean, hey,
all right.
The world is full of surprises, right?
All right, so I'm gonna have my kiddo Alonso do that driver's side again. This was the passenger side. As you can see, it's fully seated. I tried to do it with the B8 5100 series Bellsteins. Those were just too short. That stem was just somewhere around here. I would definitely see it, and I was fully squatted. Like, I mean, I'm sitting down, full pressure. Me and my brother tried to bind the spring just to bring it down, but there's no reason for you guys to do that. You guys should not be going through that. Just get the bigger shock. It needs to extend, it needs to shoot out. As soon as I cut these shocks open, I mean, it reached to the top. And these shocks are definitely much more bigger than those Fabtecs. You can tell that piston's just super duty oversized. So I'm definitely happy with the product. These are the M3 rough country shocks installed into Project Beast. The lift is anywhere between 7 to 9 inches. It's definitely not a 6-inch lift. I know the 19-inch shocks would not fit in this. This is a 24-inch shock that we just installed. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Until then, this is SirMaloPerformance working on Project Beast. Take care. Peace.